Start with a slip knot and chain 40 plus 2 chains extra for the turning chain, or else you can start off with any multiple of 4 plus 2 chains extra for the turning chain. One half double crochet into the 5th chain from the hook. Skip the next 3 stitches and into the next stitch make 4 half double crochets. Skip the next 3 stitches and into the next stitch repeat the same 4 half double crochets. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. Skip 3 and into the next stitch 4 half double crochets. At the end you'll have 4 stitches left. Skip the next 3 stitches and into the last stitch make 1 half double crochet. Look. Now make the turning chain. Chain 2. Insert your hook into the second chain from the hook, that is the first chain which you made, and pull up a loop. Turn your work. Insert hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop. 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. That's a turning chain made and 1 half double crochet made. Next round, 1 half double crochet is already made. Now this round onwards we'll be working only into the 4th stitch of this bunches. Skip the next 3 stitches and into the 4th stitch make 4 half double crochets. Skip the next set of stitches and into the 4th half double crochet. This one, make 4 half double crochets. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. Skip the set of stitches. You'll be working only into the 4th half double crochet. 4 half double crochets over here. Skip the stitches. This is the 4th one. This is how it will look. Continue with the stitches. Make the last set of stitches. And into the last stitch make 1 half double crochet. Now make the turning chain. Chain 2. Insert hook into the second chain from the hook and pull up a loop. Turn your work. Insert hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop. 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. That's a turning chain made and 1 half double crochet made. Now just keep repeating this round until it's rectangle in shape. 1 half double crochet is already made with the turning chain, and now we'll be working only into the 4th stitch of each of these bunches. Skip all the stitches. This is the 4th stitch. 4 half double crochets. next set of stitches into the fourth stitch. This is how the pattern will look. Now once you reach this size, make the last half double crochet and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.